Powers of 10 greater than 1 are numbers like 10, 100, 1000, and so on. The steps to multiply decimals by powers of 10 greater than 1 are first, count the zeros in the power of 10, and second, move the decimal to the right the same number of places as there are zeros in the power of 10. For example, notice we're multiplying by a power of 10. We have 10,000. Notice there are 4 zeros in the power of 10. So to multiply this decimal by 10,000, we're going to move the decimal to the right 4 decimal places because we have 4 zeros in the power of 10. That will leave us with 19850. Moving that decimal 4 times to the right, we have 19,850. And in this example, notice we have a power of 10, 100. There are 2 zeros in the power of 10. So we need to move the decimal to the right 2 times. And notice we have a negative times a negative. The product will be positive. 4702 decimal 6. 4,702 and 6 tenths. And notice it is positive. Powers of 10 less than 1 are numbers like 1/10, 1/100th, 1/1000th, and so on. The steps to multiply decimals by powers of 10 less than 1 are first, count the decimal in the power of 10, and then second, move the decimal to the left the same number of places that are in the decimal places in the power of 10. In this example, notice we have a power of 10 that is less than 1, and there are 4 decimal places in the power of 10. That means we need to move the decimal point in this number to the left 4 times. Right now, we have a decimal point to the right of the 2. We don't see it, it's understood to be there. So we'll have 362, moving the decimal 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th time means we need to add a 0 in front of that 3 to get the decimal point. And then we'll add a 0 out front. In this example, we have 1/10. It is a power of 10 less than 1. So we need to move the decimal to the left 1 time because there is 1 decimal place in this power of 10. We'll move the decimal 1 time to the left. That will give us 2.598. And notice we have a negative times a positive. That is a negative product.